Wings ICT Solutions. When it comes to advanced and most efficient technology solutions, we are your personal tech-savvy, innovative partner for ever-increasing sustainability and business growth. Wings ICT Solutions provides complete, integrated, intelligent digital solutions and transformations for vertical business sectors, focusing on the protection of the environment, utilities and transportation infrastructures, production and manufacturing, service sectors, and smart cities. In order to achieve these results, we exploit advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, big data, and cloud technologies, advanced telecommunication networks, advanced visualization techniques, and mobile applications. Our diverse, passionate, and highly skilled team of business development strategists, project managers, solution architects, and software and hardware developers provide the world with advanced technology solutions since 2012. Thanks to our different backgrounds and experiences, we create new, holistic business solutions to help you improve your decision-making processes, increase your company's efficiency, and skyrocket your turnover. Wings ICT Solutions. From the ground to the cloud, we become your wings to fly.